Welcome back to our channel, Everything Beauty XO. It's your girl, April, back with another video after how many months? October, November, December, January. 3 months. But you know what? Who's counting? Me? Yeah, you? Okay, good. You? That's a good sign. Welcome back to our channel. If you don't already know, this is a duo channel with my best friend and I, Talon, and my name is April. We like makeup. We love makeup. I've been away from the camera for the past 3 months, sort of just figuring things out. I've had a little bit of a lifestyle change. I'm still working 2 jobs, but I got a new job. It's a Monday to Friday 9 to 5, and I still have my other job. I work on the weekends, so it's been really crazy busy. I've just had to deal with some challenges the past few months, so I haven't really been feeling myself, and I just really haven't had the motivation to get in front of the camera. When I get in front of the camera, I just like to be myself. I'm a little quirky and a little weird, and I've been feeling bleh. And I felt like if I had gotten in front of the camera, I would have been somebody that I'm not, because I would have been forcing this personality that wasn't how I've been feeling lately, if that makes sense. So I just want to be real with you and just let you know that I've been going through some things. I just didn't really want to get in front of the camera. I'm trying to figure out when I can film, how I can film. You need to make time for the things that you love. I've slowly just got my shit together. I love making content and I love makeup. So those 2 things, makeup, content, filming. I edit my own videos, so it's just something I enjoy doing. It's not like a chore to me. Anyways, enough of me rambling. I've created this look. Initially, I didn't think it was gonna be a halo eye, but it ended up turning out to be a halo eye. So that's what that is. My makeup routine is pretty much the same, but I've updated some of my products. This is the stuff that I use on a regular basis. This is the stuff that makes me feel good. So this video, the theme of this video is feel good. What makes you feel good? For me, when I feel, you know, shitty or under the weather or just not myself, a really good face makes me feel better. And it doesn't need to be makeup for you. It could be a good pair of shoes or a nice hairdo or your favorite shirt. Whatever it is that makes you feel confident, it just exudes some sort of like positive vibe, and that's sort of what I'm trying to do, and that's what this video is about, the stuff that makes me feel good. And I'm gonna stop talking now, we're gonna get right into it and do my face. Okay, so I have just my eyebrows on. If you want to refer to how I do my eyebrows, I've included a link to my eyebrow tutorial. So lately what I've been feeling is the Smashbox Primerizer. It primes your face as well as moisturizes your face, especially for the winter. And this does the trick because it primes and moisturizes my face. I put on like maybe 2 dollops and I tap it onto my face. And then I sort of just wait for it to get tacky before I apply my foundation. Then the foundation sticks better. The foundation that I've been using is the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundation. This one is in Amaretti. Normally I like buildable foundations, but this is so good because I literally put on that much on the back of my hand, and this is good enough for my whole face, which is perfect. So normally I like to use a beauty blender, but I've been using the Royal & Langnickel complexion brush, and this is what I use to put on the foundation. I actually find that when I use a beauty blender for this specific foundation, I can look a little cakey. The coverage is so strong that when I use that, I look like, I don't know, it's way too much makeup for me. I'll put on 1 layer of foundation and then it just covers it. Normally I stay away from a brush when applying my foundation, but it just works so well. So I sort of just like stipple it on the areas where I need more coverage. So here especially, because that's where the scarring of my pimples are. And then it actually dries into like a powder finish. I mean, you don't even really need to set it, but I always set because I have to set my foundation. And that's literally 1 pump, guys, for my whole face. 1 pump. Okay. You gotta blend into your neck so that you don't have 2 different colors on your face. Alright. So now I'm going to conceal my under eyes. I'm gonna use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This is in Light Medium Honey. And this one's actually a little pale for me. I mean, it's too light. But I'm just going to dot that on my face, a little bit on my chin, forehead, bridge of my nose, tip of my nose, underneath my cheekbones. And then I'm gonna go in with my Real Techniques Beauty Blender. I like to dampen it. You can dampen it with water or anything. I'm using the Mario Badescu skincare line. This is facial spray with aloe. It's basically just rose water, and then it just helps blend the product a lot better. You really want to press it into your skin. I'm gonna put some of that on my eyelids. I'm gonna use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer again. This is in Deep. Just gonna put a little on the temples of my forehead. sides of my nose, then a little bit here. And this has been making me feel good. It's been making me feel confident, you know, and that's what we need. We need confidence. To feel good, you need to be confident. Good old makeup. I'll actually blend that into my hairline, and then it gives the illusion of a narrow face. So I have an octagon for a face. So I'm gonna go ahead and set all of that. I'm gonna use the Urban Decay Velvetizer. I just put a little bit on a brush and I stipple it into where I need to set my foundation. I especially put it on the sides of my nose because that's where my pores are like gigantic. I just do that, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. We're gonna go ahead and move on to my eyes. So lately my holy grail palette has been the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette. I use this a lot. I'm gonna go ahead and dip my brush in the color Lure, and just pack it onto my lids. This is gonna be my transition color, and I'm slowly just gonna keep adding more product. So now I'm gonna take this flat brush. I'm gonna go into Dimension, and I'm just going to pack that onto my eyelid, and I'm sort of tapping it onto my eyelid. That way the fallout isn't excessive. So next I'm gonna go into Osiris. Guys, I don't know how to pronounce these names, so just bear with me. This is Osiris. It's like a darker purple, just right above where I applied Dimension. Next I'm taking a different flat brush, and then I'm gonna go in with Lucid. This is like a pearly white eyeshadow, and I'm gonna apply a little bit of Lucid in the middle of my lid to give it some dimension. It's not quite a halo eye. It's not quite a halo eye. Next I'm going to take a flat dense brush and I'm going to go into Lure again, and then I'm just going to smoke out right underneath my bottom lash line. Give it that extra oomph. So now I'm going to go in with my mascara. This is my go-to. If you watch my videos then you know that I like to use the L'Oreal Telescopic Carbon Black Mascara. This is all I use. This is what I use to my lashes. Now that that's all done, my eyes are finished, I'm gonna go ahead and contour my face a little bit more and bronze it up. I'm gonna use the Too Faced Dark Chocolate Soleil bronzer. This is in Deep Tan. And what I like about it is it's matte. So I'm using an angle brush and I'm just gonna cut my cheekbones. And then I actually put a little bit of bronzer here. And it makes my face look skinnier. And I'm basically just going over where I contoured a little bit earlier. Favorite part is the highlight. So I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit in Sugar. Look how gorgeous. So I'm actually gonna use Gumdrop over here, and then I'm gonna go use Marshmallow on top. So it has like a pinky purple undertone. I don't know if you can see that. Whoa! The bridge of my nose. Going to just use a brush that has nothing on it and just blend everything so everything looks like it's all nicely blended, like one blended happy family. Last but not least, I'm gonna go ahead and do my lips. For this look, I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte. This is in the color Muse to match the eyes. So now that that's dry, I'm gonna go in with my favorite lip gloss. This is the Dose of Colors collaboration with Desi and Katie. This is their lip gloss in Over the Top. There you are. Now I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face, make sure that stays on. This is the Makeup Forever Mist and Fix. Okay guys, that pretty much concludes today's video. I'm not gonna promise you that I'm gonna be filming every single week because I don't know. Like, I don't know what's gonna be happening. But what I can promise you is that I'm gonna try, and that this is what I love to do, and I'm just doing it because I love it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. You can follow Talon and I on Instagram at everythingbeauty.xo and subscribe. Subscribe and make your girl happy. I will see you in my next video. It's really nice doing this again. Until then, bye!